There may be times that you have to use a program or a website that asks for you to use your microphone and your camera, and you may have accidentally blocked it. So let me show you how to fix that. So this, for example, is Flipgrid, but this is the same process you would follow with any program that asks you to use a camera and a microphone. So in this case with Flipgrid, I'd click on Add Response, and the very first time it's going to ask me, this is what it should do. Do you want to allow or block your camera and your microphone? Once you've done this once, it saves your settings forever. So let's say that I accidentally clicked on block. In this case with Flipgrid, I get this message. So the next time I try to use it, it's going to come up and say, basically, your camera and your video are blocked. Let me show you how to fix that. So here's what you do. You're going to come up here into the Omni box, and just to the left of the URL, you will either see a double building or you'll see like a padlock. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go down to Site Settings. So these are only settings for this site, in this case, Flipgrid. When I click on Site Settings, notice over here, my camera and my microphone, I accidentally said block. So if I'm sure I want to use it again, I can click on Allow, but for right now, I'm going to change it back to the default settings of Ask. That's all you have to do. There is no save. I'm just going to close that settings window. I have to reload my page. And now that I'm in here, when I click on Add Response again, now this time it asks me. And so I'm going to Allow. And that's it. The settings will save. And now I can I can record with my camera and my microphone.
Well, that's it for now. If you have questions or ideas for future Quick Hits, reach out to us at help.tist.org.